Okay, so there's a 3,000 Rand reason why you shouldn't install fan belts when you had a couple of beers. This little bolt, it's got a little tip here, and when I installed the new fan belts, when they broke, this bolt holds the cowling into the radiator. Okay, so that little PP key that I've now taken off, I managed, when I screwed it in, to turn a hole right into the radiator. Now, well, I suppose it's time. Brand new radiator. So this is how I did it. Get a bottle of this, pop it in there, drive around to go and pick up your new radiator, come back, drain the water, after it's cooled down of course, and then the fun begins to take this guy out. Anyway, let's get it done. Alright, so this is the fan, this is the cowling. Cool. There you go. Alright, now water pipe, oil cooler pipes, and then everything back in reverse. So flushing the radiator, you can see in there all the amount of gunk that came out. It's probably a good idea to do this every 2 years or so. Well, my thought anyway. That's bad. Okay, so this is a 2009 model. And this is pretty bad. Pretty bad. I can't even see my hand on the other side there. Alright, so radiator replacement. It was overdue. Okay, let's reverse what we've done.